To begin learning this topic, it's highly advisable to start in a dedicated study session. This concept is so important and fundamental that it should be approached by a fresh and focused mind. Verbs in Arabic are derived from a three-letter root. This root is represented by the simple word pattern فعل, in which fa represents the first letter of the root, ayn represents the second letter of the root, and lam represents the last letter of the root. For example, كتب on the measure of فعل. These verb roots, like كتب, contain only consonants. They serve as a core or foundation of the verb's meaning. However, in order to derive a verb from its root, we need to learn additional patterns like فعل, which we apply to these roots. These patterns are studied in 10 categories, known as the 10 measures of the Arabic verbs. These 10 measures provide structured patterns that allow us to derive verbs by adding letters and vowels around the root, creating a different verb forms. Moreover, each of these 10 measures carries a subtle meaning that is added to the core meaning of the root. For example, measure 2, when applied, has two side effects on the root. It adds the meaning of intensification, strengthening the core meaning of the root. It applies the pattern فعل to the roots. Now, if we take the root قطع, which carries the core meaning to cut something, and apply measure 2 to it, we get قطع, which means to dice something or cut repeatedly. This means the meaning of the verb equals the root core meaning plus the measure's side effects. This chart visualizes the process and shows how the meaning of the verbs is formed. This is where real progress begins. Save this lesson, review it slowly, and get ready, because from here on, your understanding will grow faster than ever. Stay consistent, stay curious, and stay tuned.